Okay, girls. This play is called 3. It's going to be one of our quick hitters. We're going to start at just like 4. Or not 4, excuse me, 2. Where there's going to be, you'll see the point guard bring the ball up the floor. There will be a girl here, girl here, girl here, girl here. So this will be like our 4 high set. And I'll play it, and then I'll explain what will be slightly different, but what I like about it. Okay, so there's a couple things. They didn't even look, but this first initial cut, she's wide open. Like, if she just threw this ball right here, she should get a layup or she'll get fouled by this girl. But the next thing that I like is when this girl comes and sets the screen and then rolls, she should be pretty open. What I don't like, that this is Springville. They're a really good basketball team. What I don't like is these guys are just kind of doing nothing. So at about this point, after this first initial cut, I want these girls to both come down and set a down pick on this girl or screen each other. We'll talk about it in practice, but they're just sitting here. So we're going to have them doing something on the opposite side to keep the defense engaged, not just watching the ball, so that it becomes a 2-on-2 kind of situation.